If you're looking for a straightforward strategy to selling more books, I'm going to pull back the curtain today on a book that has made me $46,000 in KDP income. This is royalties that have hit my account. My name is Jenny Hansen-Lane. I've been publishing for almost 3 years. I've published 600 books and we've crossed 6 figures. So this book has made a significant dent into that income, okay? Which is a reminder that typically 80% of your sales are going to come from 20% of your books. And once you have one book that does really well, life gets more enjoyable and more fun because you have that niche. So let's kind of cover this. Let me pull this up and show you kind of what we want to focus on so that you feel very clear about what direction you want to take when it comes to scaling, okay? And so this is pretty much a 3-step process that I want to just talk about, because I think sometimes when we publish, it can feel isolating and alone. And I don't ever want anyone to feel that way. I have felt that way. And I actually had to develop like my own ad strategies, because all the ads courses that I purchased were from people who had never published a book. And then other people had published the books, but they didn't offer ads. And so I created 30 different strategies, and this is part of my book ad scaling roadmap, okay? So this is the first thing that I did when publishing, okay? This is really important. This is the most important one, okay? You want to identify a niche or a category that has low competition. So if you find categories, you type in a word in Amazon and it says there's 60,000 results, it's going to be really hard to scale from 0 to 46,000, okay? And so the lower the number, the better, but you want to stay above 1,000. You want there to actually be books. You may have heard me tell this joke that like a diet turtle book, like I typed that in, like what? No one would search for that. And then our next door neighbors went out of town and they sent me a text message and they're like, before we go, will your kids babysit our turtle and feed it every day? And like, we did it while they were gone for a month, and a diet turtle journal would have been helpful. So there actually are some needs for some things, but if you want to make money online, you have to focus on this. You literally have to know what people are searching for, okay? So that when they see your book, they know you solve their problem, okay? It's a supply and demand, but like people don't care who you are. So don't make the book about you. I say that with tons of love because I've made books about me, my personal brand books. Okay. So everyone clear on that? Number one, like the less competition, the better. Okay. And if the category, like if there's a category, that's a good sign, right? But if you're like, I can't even find a category for this kitten taco macaroni recipe book, like, don't eat cats. I mean, some countries do. I'm sorry. But just, you get the gist of it, right? Let's go to number 2. Okay. I want you to focus. Sorry, this is a little bit out of focus on high quality cover and interior. I never would have been able to make $46,000 in 2 years from one book without having a highly attractive cover. How do we do this? We hire it out, we learn the skill set, we research what is working really well, and we figure out how can I put my own spin on this to solve the problem for the customer? What type of cover can I do? Okay. The reason why a cover is so important for ads is because it's a metric. It's a metric. Like if people are clicking on your ad, it means they're touching your book. And if people touch your book a bunch and they don't buy it, it's because they didn't like the cover. They didn't like the interior. If you turn on ads and you get tons of impressions and no one touches the book, it's because they didn't like the cover. I'm sorry that I said that wrong, okay? High impressions, no clicks, bad cover, okay? So I had to do this to get to 0 to 46K, and I'm going to try and scale another book. The book it was published July 7th, and for August, it is outperforming my 46K book. So it has made almost $1,000 in a month. Actually, tomorrow, at the time of this video was recorded, I'll have to let you know like what that new book has made, okay? They're in the same category because I know what's working now, right? Okay, number 3. As you know, I did this with Amazon Ads. Amazon Ads is a pay-per-click platform. So when you run ads on Facebook, if you like side eye an ad, Mark Zuckerberg's going to charge you for that ad. on Amazon, you don't get charged when someone looks at your book. You only get charged if they touch it. So in a lot of ways, it's like having a free billboard, which is really, really cool when it comes to book marketing. So I always tell people, set aside your budget. And I will tell you, like, if you watch videos of people flexing because they are not spending money on ads and they did all this stuff organically, say a little prayer for them because their sales could be 2 to 3x if they used ads, okay? And here's the crazy part. When you use ads, it increases your organic sales. I'm sorry if you feel like I'm yelling, but like if I could grab those people through the screen, they're just like, I made this without spending any money. It was like, that is so amazing. Let's actually honor our books and serve the people who want to buy them. And let's find more customers so you can 10x your income. That's exactly what happened to me with KDP ads, okay? Crazy. So I turn on an ad. What does that look like? Every single campaign that I do now, I turn on automatic because I want Amazon to give me all the data so I can get better at ads, okay? So what I'm doing here before we get into B, I want A is like an automatic campaign, and I'm doing a high bid and a high budget and a really low bid amount. What this allows me to do is get a lot of impressions because I'm telling Amazon I'm willing to spend money. But I'm only willing to spend money if you can get me clicks at this really low price. So you can set your click rate. You can set it at 2 cents. If it doesn't spend in 4 hours, raise the price 5 cents. Then it's at 7 cents. Watch it for 3 hours. Like, you're not going to spend a bunch of money unless it's actually people are clicking on your book and that's actually what you want, because we need to test it out to see how it does. And so if you're doing organic marketing for your book and you haven't turned on ads and you have at least you've made double the royalties of one book. If one book was a $5 royalty or $2 royalty, if you have $5 or $10, you can turn on an ad, okay? So I turn on low bid amount because it allows me to control the budget, because I'm telling Amazon, you can only take my money if you could get me a click for 5 cents or 8 cents. Now, every category is different, right? Like, you're like, Jenny, how are you getting 8 cents a click? How are you getting sales for 8 cents? Goes right back up here, my loves. I'm focused on a category and a niche that has low competition. Okay, that's a super important part. Because if I skip that step, then when I get here, I can't even play my game. I can't even have fun because it's cost too much. Okay, so once I start increasing the bid amount, I can see my targets. When you do an automatic campaign, there's 4 targets: substitute, complement, loose match, and close match. Okay, and when I get 10 cells on one target, I duplicate the campaign and put it in its own thing. And then I turn off the one that had 10 cells in the regular one, or I turn off all the other ones, and I keep scaling that puppy to the moon, okay? And so I duplicate into its own campaign. And that is exactly how I got to 46K, okay? So let me know what questions you have about this process. It's, 0 to 46,000. This wasn't the first book that I created. So I had to put in the reps, right? Like, I had to hit the ball. I'm left-handed. No, that's right-handed. I had to hit the ball. I had to go up to bat and put a book on Amazon and put a book on Amazon and put a book on Amazon and put a book on Amazon. Because I wanted to change my life. Okay. So if you don't quit, you can't lose. So here's the step. The first step, research. Second step, make a quality book. Third step, turn on the ad and scale the baby, okay? I love you. Let me know what questions you have. We have a free training come up. I'm going to drop the link just below here. I would love to have you sign up. I'd love to just be able to communicate with you more outside of videos, but also I love the chatter that we create on this channel. I love when you guys share what you're learning, what you learn from the videos, how the videos help you, what other videos can help you collapse time and have more time freedom. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.